What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. Now, if you guys do know, my most viewed video on YouTube is how to get an Android phone to turn on without a power button. And this video is the same, but I'm going to be using a different concept than the one I used in that video. And if you haven't watched that video, I'll leave the link in the description down below. But in today's video, it's going to be the same. How to turn on an Android phone without the power button. Now, disclaimer, this might not work for every single Android device, so I can't guarantee that, but it works for most Android devices. I've seen people who are able to have it work and people who weren't successfully able to turn on their phone. Now, before I get this video started, I just want to thank you all, because this series where I make videos on how to turn on your Android phone without your power button, this is what got my channel going. Thank you all. And if you guys haven't, please like this video and comment down below on what type of Android phone you use, and if your Android phone's power button is also broken, or anything in general, as likes and comments, interactions with the video really does help out a lot, and it gets to more people. So when this happens, more people can see this video and it can help them out as well. Now, without further delay, let's dive right in. Now, before I actually get to the process, you're going to need a couple things. First, you're going to obviously need the Android phone with the power button that doesn't work. You're going to need a USB cable, whether your phone is USB Type-C or like my LG G3, which is micro USB. You're going to need a computer or laptop of some sort, or you can use a battery pack or a power bank or anything, or you can use a wall adapter as well. And if you have a MacBook Pro like me, you're going to need this adapter, because that's what we're living in right now. Alrighty, so if you have a MacBook like me, then you're going to need this USB-C adapter. So first, let's plug that in. Alright, now what's going to happen is you're going to plug in your USB output into it. Here we go. Next, you'll be taking the USB port and plugging it into your phone. And once you do, you're going to plug it right back out. So here we go. Now, you see when the battery icon popped up, I plugged it right back out, and that's all you have to do. And there we go. I'm going to show you guys one more time. So what's going to happen is you are going to plug it in to your phone, the USB cable into your phone, and when you see the battery icon pop up, you're going to plug it right out. Now, keep in mind, this isn't going to work on every single Android device, but there's a high rating that it will, high chance that it will. So here we go one more time. And there you have it. That is one method on how to turn on your Android phone without your power button. And everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to Superman that like button. Comment down below, as that does help out with the channel, with the video, and with the interactions to obviously get some more people. And best of all, Superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until the next video, this is MTG.